Today I shall discuss one problem and solution on Poisson distribution. So first let me write the problem, then I shall discuss about its solution. So the problem is that a factory, first let me write down the problem, then I shall start discussing on this. A factory experiences an average of one defect per 100 products, and a factory experiences an average of one defect per 100 products manufactured. Okay. Now, what is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability that a batch of 500 products will have exactly three defects? So this is the problem, that a factory experiences an average of one defect per 100 products manufactured. What is the probability that a batch of 500 products will have exactly three defects? Now to solve this, this is the problem of Poisson distribution, and first let me write down the formula of Poisson distribution, that is probability of x equals r. Now which variable that is denoting what, that I shall tell you, but first let me write down this one. So this is there, and then I shall write, it will be e to the power minus lambda. So e to the power minus, and there will be some formula, that is e to the power minus lambda. So I need to make this more characters. This one. Okay, e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power r. So again I will write this. Again I need to use this one. Lambda to the power r. Okay, lambda e to the power minus lambda. Now this is not e in capital, it will be in small only. Lambda to the power r, and divided by this one. I need to make it much clear. Okay, and then lambda to the power r, and then r factorial. And now I will make this formula much bigger for you. Okay, I want to make this much bigger to make it more clear. So here. Okay, and I can make it much bigger also. Yes, this is perfect. Yeah. Okay, so e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power r, and r factorial. So this is my formula. and where this x is one random, any random variable, and r is x is any random variable, r is number of occurrences. So we can write here also that where x is any random variable, this is any random variable, x is any random variable, okay, and r is number of occurrences, okay, r is number of occurrences, this is the thing, and r will be in this, and value of r will be in discrete form, like value of r maybe any discrete value, okay, any discrete value like 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so this is the thing. Now another important thing in the here that we shall do, we need to keep in mind. Okay, r factorial, why it is coming? Acha. So one mistake is there. I make it. So r factorial control x, it will be here only. This one. Okay. So this is my formula where x is any random variable, and this one. R is number of occurrences, and value of R may be any discrete value like 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So in this problem also I can make it much bigger font. This is, I may make it 18. So this is much clear now. Now we will try to solve this. We will put the values. Now first and here in Poisson distribution always mean is lambda. Lambda is actually mean. Okay, so what is the value of lambda? The value of lambda will be the mean. So mean will be given in the problem, otherwise I need to find out, or we need to find out the mean from the problem. So here one defect per 100 products. Now what is the probability that a batch of 500 products? So for the 500 products batch, I need to find out the lambda. So here average of one defect, so average lambda is not 1 because that is for 100 products, and here I need to find out the batch of 500 products that will have the exactly 3 defects. So for 100 products, so I need to find out the lambda. Here if you can make a note of it that lambda is the mean. Okay, mean equals lambda. Okay, mean equals lambda. Now otherwise, and one thing I need to do, so for 100 products defect is 1. Okay, so for 500 products, defect is, what will be that? It will be 1 by 100 into 500. Okay, 1 by 100 into 500, that is, so it will be 5. Okay, so I got my mean. So mean equals lambda, equals 5. So for the batch of 500 products. Okay, so for the batch of 500 products I got my mean. Now number of occurrences, what was the problem here? The problem was that factory, what I need to find out? I need to find out that we'll have exactly 3 defects. So here number of occurrences, that is R, is 3. Okay, so number of occurrences R is here 3. So what will I do? Number of occurrences. So I need to find out exactly 3 defects. Now here R equals 3. Okay, so if I put these values, formula, putting these values in the formula, in the above formula, putting these values in the above formula, we get what we will get. We will write down the formula this, then we will put the value. So see, this was the formula. We get P of here x is 3 actually, number of occurrences. Okay, this one. So e to the power minus lambda. Okay, so we'll write down this e to the power minus lambda. So in place of lambda, we'll write down what? 5. Okay, we'll replace the value of lambda with 5. Okay, and the value of r will replace with 3. Okay, and here it is r factorial. So r factorial means that is factorial of 3. So this we need to calculate, and if we calculate this, then we will get the value of 0.1404. Okay, so the question, as per the question, that what is the probability that a batch of 500 products will have exactly 3 defects. So to have exactly 3 defects in the batch of 500 products, the probability of having 3 defects will be 0.1404, or you can write it down simply 14.04%. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So this is my required probability. So in this way we need to calculate the problems of Poisson distribution.